Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Adrenaline GP one-piece race suit. The Adrenaline GP one-piece suit retails for $6.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds, 33-inch waist. I am wearing a size large right now in the Adrenaline GP1. This is a really tight race fit for me. When I compare this to the previous Cortech race suits, the Adrenaline and the Latigo, the fit is different. I would say they now run one size smaller than they did previously. For me to get the fit I'm going to need to be able to ride in it comfortably, I'm going to need an extra large. I think this plus their size chart is going to really help our riders choose the appropriate size for themselves. Jumping into the suit itself, I've already had it apart, looked at it, put it back together. I really like the construction of this suit. It has one new feature we're going to show you in the second part of the video. It is a suspender system that's built in. If you're a track day rider, right, we all love to unzip the upper portion of the suit and kind of let it hang. Well, this has built-in suspenders that are removable that allow you to do that with the greatest of ease. Construction of the suit, we have 1.2 to 1.4 premium cowhide. We have KNOX armor in the elbow, forearm, shoulder, hip protection, knee and shin. Comes with replaceable knee sliders. There is a pocket in the liner of the suit that allows you to install a CE certified KNOX back pad. Myself, what I recommend for track riding is always going to be a standalone back protector. You get more coverage area from that and simply better protection. You can do what you feel is most appropriate for yourself, but once again, I think the standalone back protector is really the way to go. Features and benefits with this that I really like. Tons of perforation. You look up front, there is just perf everywhere out of the impact zone. It's going to flow a ton of air. You look at the sleeve of the suit, how they have the leather over the stretch material, double stitch. This is an impact and abrasion zone. It's really common with most race suits. You fall, right? You can see a lot of abrasion right in this area. This helps to protect the stretch fabric when the leather goes over the top of it. We've got replaceable elbow sliders. If you can corner that low, right, we can get you replacement pucks. There is a little motion panel here. Exterior shoulder slider built into the shoulder of the suit that works in conjunction with the shoulder armor to enhance protection in that area. I like what they did here with the sleeve length. That's just right. With a race suit, I don't like to see it super long because that just kind of bunches up with the gauntlet. Remember, your gauntlet's going to cover all that, right? You want a lot of mobility and control in this area. Tons of motion panels with this suit. You can see it's that big U-shaped panel. Get down to the riding position. And once again, like I said, this suit is going to be one size tighter than I would prefer. You know, some people like a fit like this and then commit to breaking it in. For me, this is one size tighter than I would want it. Stay tuned. When I come back, we're going to have the suit off, disassemble it, and give you a look from the inside out. Okay, the all-new Cortech Adrenaline GP one-piece suit from the inside out. This suit comes with a fully removable mesh inner liner, okay? There's a little pocket here. You can slide your driver's license in, so if you're at the track, you know, maybe by yourself or you do some road riding, that's kind of cool to have that feature built in. I like that. It's pretty functional. The liner also includes like a little foam, right, that kind of wraps around the hips, goes all the way across the seat just to help bolster protection in that area. You can see it's kind of a drop so it doesn't influence the comfort of the suit. Little motion panel spandex stuff here in the knees so it just moves with you and doesn't fight. You'll see that that's used at the waist as well as in the arms just to enhance the comfort of the suit. This suit includes CE certified KNOX armor, right, in the hips on both sides, removable if you choose to do so. CE certified KNOX armor in the shoulders, as well as the elbows and the forearms. Knee and shin armor, right? Look at this piece from KNOX, right? Mobile, flexible, comfortable, large coverage area. Caleb had to cut this in because he forgot to tell me to show the knee armor that was included in the suit, but you know what, I remembered it because I'm a seasoned professional. So now here we are. That Velcros into a pocket that's inside this area right here. And this is, you know, it's a little unique what they did here. This pocket is kind of floating, and we have multiple layers here. We have this, which is kind of a, God, almost a rubberized fabric, right? So maybe a little bit of foam there. Then you have a floating layer of leather, and then you have the pocket that holds this into. So a lot of reinforcement and protection is built into the knee. The liner of the suit comes with a pocket that holds this foam back pad. This is not certified, but it's easily and affordably upgraded to a CE certified KNOX back insert. You'll find that in the Cortech armor section of our website if you're interested in that. Realistically, most riders, if you're going to ride on the racetrack, you're not going to put a back pad insert in there. You're going to wear a full back protector because you get a lot more protection from that. Before we dive into the nuts and the bolts of the actual suit itself, you know, we talked about this earlier on. One of the things this comes with, you know, and you see a lot of different solutions for this at the racetrack, you know, bungee straps, different things, a belt, right? So you can take your suit off and kind of let it hang off your upper body when you're not riding. They built in this removable suspender system. This is cool, man. It's just a new feature, right? And for a track day rider, it's pretty badass. If you don't want it there, all you got to do is unvelcro it like so, and it's easily removed. Plenty of adjustment there. Cool new feature. Shell of the suit, we'll start here in the back. Removable hump. Okay, and what they did here too, like a little safety feature they built in, you can Velcro this open, right? Medical personnel, if they wanted to, say like, you know, for whatever reason, you need to make the suit easier to get off, just rip open that Velcro tab, pull this thing, and just rip that right out of the suit. Bam, just like that. Large panel of leather here, segmented perforation over here. We've got motion panels done in leather in the shoulder blade area, and then motion panels that are done in leather down the sides of the suit. That allows the suit to really fit a lot of different body types. Having the motion panel structured like this, where it's basically in a U shape. This is like their former adrenaline suit. This suit's going to fit a lot of body types really well and move well once you have it on. 2 layers of leather here in the seat of the suit. That's a high impact and abrasion area. There is a little tailbone pad that's stitched into those layers to enhance the protection. Ample use of stretch fabric, right? And this looks like a 4-way stretch they're using here. It's not a Kevlar reinforced stretch, but it's a good quality material, right? You can see all that back here. And what I like that they did is they have the leather overlapping the stretch fabric, and then you can see that is all safety stitch. So when you end up on the ground in a crash, most of the wear is going to end up on the leather because that's the higher of the 2 materials. This should help it hold together better in the event of an impact. Moving now to the front of the suit. Perforation. You know, that's when you're out there, you add this layer, it gets hot. There's no doubt. The best way to fight that is by having a lot of perf. Cortech has addressed that with a fully perforated upper torso, fully perforated thigh. All the stretch fabric you see used in this suit is going to also allow air to flow freely, so plenty of cooling is built in here. External shoulder slider with a little metal plate, Cortech logo. Motion panel here in the elbow. They've got an elbow slider external. Looks like that's replaceable as well. It just kind of screws on. That is built in, so if you can corner low enough to drag that bad boy on the ground, we can get you a replacement puck. Locking zippers are used. See that removable liner? Here in the elbow, there are a couple layers of leather. Once again, that's a high impact area, okay? So having a couple layers of leather just really enhances the protection for the rider. You can see once again, the stitching, the leather overlaps in the impact zone, the stretch fabric. That really enhances protection in this, which is one of the most critical areas on the suit for sure. Already gave you a good look at that suspender system, right? Inside the suit. Just real quickly, you can see that second layer of leather here. It's like a drop layer. The internal layer is never fixed to the external. It's always left kind of loose so it can move around and not fight the rider. Generous Stretch panel here in the knee, more perforation down here in the lower leg, replaceable Cortech knee pucks. The termination of the leg is done in that 4-way stretch fabric, right? Just makes it a little less bulky in that area. Using a standard style zipper down here. That one looks like a YKK down in this area, but it's not a locking zipper. Really no reason for that. This is a quality piece. A couple of little innovative features. I think the most useful one is going to be for a lot of riders, going to be this suspender system, man. You can actually use that when you're at the track. You know, how many people you see walking around, they're kind of holding it with one hand, it's draping all over the place. This is a cool solution for that. It sells at a really affordable price point. I like the overall quality of it. I like the addition of the KNOX armor. I think for Cortech, this is a real evolution of their previous version of the adrenaline suit. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right suit for your riding style.